The ability to find fresh, healthy food isn't easy in a lot of East Tennessee neighborhoods. The U.S. Department of Agriculture puts the number of food deserts in Knoxville at 20, often in lower income areas. We also see a lack of healthy options and places with limited public transit. In those neighborhoods, the American Heart Association reports finding higher risk of heart disease. The 37915 zip code in Knoxville is one of those food deserts.
This food desert has adversely affected the community health-wise. We got the highest rate of diabetes, hypertension, heart issues in the city, and most of it is because of a lack of access to fresh produce.
That's Chris Battle with Battlefield Farms. The farm manager and other supporters are working on turning an old Dollar General store into a new grocery store. The campaign for a place called the 1-5, which serve people in the zip code and list goods just a nickel over cost, another nod to the 1-5. We haven't seen a grocery store in the neighborhood in years. Here's why Battlefield Farms organizer Chris Battle says supporting the campaign for a new grocery store is important.
We hear stories like the single mom who said, if our veggie van hadn't come through, they wouldn't have eaten this week. It's those type of stories that just grip my heart.
The goal is to raise money and start construction on a new grocery next year. And today in East Knoxville, Battle and other farmers and vendors and community members came together for the Eastside Sunday Market. And he says the market was created by the community for the community to address the need for fresh food in one of those food deserts.
It's just a good feeling, you know. It's a feeling of like, you know there's a need, and when that need is fulfilled and you're a part of that process, it's fulfilling itself. You know, makes us happy, and it motivates us to continue to work on.
Battle says more than half of today's vendors traveled less than 5 miles to attend the market.